This is the beautiful, picturesque little village of Sonning. Sonning sits on the banks of the River Thames, just northeast of the city of Reading, in the county of Berkshire, in good old jolly England. To get to St Patrick's Stream, you need to continue heading downstream from this lovely old bridge in Sonning. This is where the stream starts. It winds its way through meadows and farms and some very well-to-do houses, before eventually meeting back up with the River Thames just past Shiplake Lock. Sonning is about a 10-minute paddle back upstream behind me, and now we're going to turn onto St Patrick's Stream. Quite often get people coming down here for a swim. Surprisingly, it's pretty quiet today. Get a few fishermen down here as well. Two types of fishermen: super friendly, super chill, and miserable old bastards. Somewhere just up here, it's like a little offshoot. There's a nice old bridge. coming into civilization now. G'day. You've got a few £1,000,000 to spare. You can get yourself one of these houses down by the river. Now there is one property down here on St Patrick's Stream, and I'm pretty sure if I pulled all my pennies together, I could probably afford. What do you reckon? Bit of a fixer-upper, but you know, location, location, location. So that is pretty much the end of St Patrick's Stream. And now we're just going to join the Thames, where you got two choices. You can take a right, keep paddling downstream towards London, probably take you about a week, or you can take a left and paddle back up the Thames to Sonning. And that's what I got to do, because that's where my boat is, up towards Sonning. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little paddle. Take it easy.